guys, it's Kianna, and for today's video, as you can see on my title, I will be unboxing my MacBook Air. And kararating lang nito, like right now, 6 PM. And hindi ko lang mahintay buksan, like I've been waiting for a month and for the whole day for today. And yeah, let's start. Also guys, hindi na rin ako nag-ayos kasi super excited na akong buksan ito. And kanina pa akong umaga naligo, kaya haggard na rin, like 6 na. And yeah, ito na, let's start na talaga. By the way guys, this video is not intended to brag in any way, in any form, or anything like that. I just want to share this very experience with you kasi this is my first MacBook and yes, let's start na talaga. So kanina, nag-text sa akin yung gauge ng mga 12 noon and sabi, today na i-deliver. Tapos parang mga 5 PM wala pa rin. Sabi ko, baka mamaya konti, mga 5:30. Tapos 5:30 na, wala pa rin. So hindi ako nag-expect na today na darating and mga 6 na siya dumating, medyo late na yun. So yun, kinuha ko na. Kanina may mga plastic and stuff nito na nakabalot and dinisinfect ko na yun and dinisinfect ko na rin to with alcohol and Lysol. And yeah, let's start na. Konting details about this MacBook is we ordered this sa Apple Store Philippines or sa Apple website. And we ordered nung pagkalabas niya pa lang, like July 8. And super tagal dumating, like July 8. Tapos today is August 17 for like more than 1 month. Pero worth the wait naman siya kasi nandito na sa akin. And ito na, let's start na talaga. Tabi mo. Yan. Na. Buksan natin. Oh my God. Yan, kita niyo rin. So, ang kinuha kong color is gold and para siyang dito, para siyang rose gold. Yan. Ang configuration chuchu nito is i5 siya with 256 na gigabytes of storage. And yun, hindi ko alam, MacBook Air 2020. Okay. So ito, gagamitin ko for online classes and magsa-start na kami sa 24. Yan, open na talaga natin. Let's go. Yan na. Yan. Ko alam paano ko ipapakita sa inyo pero i-open ko na siya. Super ganda ng so, ito and ito yung box niya. So, ganito na natin itong sa box. So, ito yung lightning cable niya, yung charger and yung parang card. Dito ata yung stickers and stuff. Ito kasi golden yung sticker niya. Ayan. It's golden. Ayan. Tabi ko muna to. And then yung ito. Yan lang yung laman ng box. And yung MacBook first. So, itatabi ko muna to. And Start na tayo sa laptop. Bago yung laptop, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung binili kong case from Shopee ulit. Hindi siya, kala ko kasi super clear siya, pero parang siyang frosted na case. Yan. Case niya. And then, yung dust gloves. This one. Basta yun sa dust gloves. Tapos, yung keyboard cover and yung case. Yan. And then, let's start na talaga here. So, lipat ako here sa table and mamaya ko na ilalagay yung cover and yung mga accessories niya. And i-set up muna natin ito. Tapos sa inyo yung color. Super ganda ng color niya. Like, parang siyang rose gold. And so, isa-set up ko muna to and I'll get back to you guys later. So, na-set up ko na siya and nag-open na. Oh, yay! Also, nilagay ko na yung case niya sa ilalim and yung dust plugs niya here and kabilaan. And yung keyboard cover, hindi ko muna ilalagay para ma-enjoy ko yung typing. Basta yun. Yes, I'm done with my unboxing video and super excited now to use this. And thank you guys so much for watching and I'm hoping to see you on my next video again. And once again, it's Kianna and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Also, I'm sorry if medj awkward ako magsalita or what kasi I'm not really used to speaking in front of the camera and I'm getting used to it na since I'm starting my YouTube channel already. And yes, I'll see you soon. Bye! Also, thank you, mommy and daddy, for buying me this laptop. Thank you.